am a homo.
Back at it, look back at it, look back at it, look back at it, look back.
Hey you guys, I pretty much just wanted to come on here and not necessarily vent, but just speak on whatever's on my spirit right now, which there's a lot. But I'm going to keep it kind of short and vague and cute. So pretty much I have been silencing the voices outside of myself. So as somebody who is on social media, and I know I don't have the biggest platform, like pretty much just getting hate comments and stuff. So with that, and then the pressures in the like real world, especially as a black man in America, it's like you're told from a young age as a black boy to not be so feminine and not be so like friendly and bubbly and just pretty much telling you not to be yourself. So it's like you literally get stuck in that same place of I can't be this way, I can't be that way. Especially like being on social media, people come for you. It's like over time you kind of start to, and Kylie was talking about this, granted, I'm no Jenner or Kardashian, but I could relate when she said people used to give her like hate comments and talk about how, you know, she used to show so much of her personality, and then people like pretty much came for her, so she slowly over time like she started to kind of pull back in terms of personality. And I can relate to that. I feel like I pretty much did the same thing here on YouTube. So like not necessarily consciously, but I just show a lot less of my personality. I guess that comes from like people online, people in real life. Just it comes from other people, and it comes from me giving into those outside voices. So I say all that to say, like, focus on yourself. Like, don't worry about what other people have to say. Don't succumb to that, because you will wake up one day, you'll look up one day and realize you're living a life that isn't your own, because you're trying to appease everyone. You cannot appease everyone. It's physically impossible to appease everybody. So focus on yourself. Focus on what makes you happy. Don't worry about what Tim and Tom have to say about it. Don't worry about boys. Don't worry about boys or girls, whatever you're into. But don't worry about like outside voices or who, you know what I'm saying, who's gonna find you attractive and all that good stuff. Those things will come and go until, you know, it's meant to stay and hit or whatever, pause. So like kind of just do you, focus on yourself, like focus on what makes you authentically happy. Keep your peace. Do not worry about everybody else. Like do you, do what makes you happy. Be authentic to yourself. Don't worry about fitting in and all that. Like you won't do anything but break yourself and hurt yourself if you do that. Anyway, this is just like a little quick reminder to kind of just take a moment to take care of yourself. And feel free to let me know in the comments section down below what it is that you do to take care of yourself. For me personally, I do like to work out and look good. When I look good, I feel good and stuff. I kind of slowed down on the working out, if you haven't noticed. But I'm going to get back into it, I promise. But yeah, let me know what y'all do in the comments down below. And I hope y'all like my haircut. I hope y'all don't mind it. For those of you who literally are subscribed to me because of my hair. But we're going to get into, you know, more hair content regardless. Anyway, yeah. And I hope y'all don't mind this next message. I have to pee.